Got him.
Your Tesla is locked, ma'am. Sentry mode activated.
Hey y'all, welcome back to SheFast. In today's video, I am going to be installing these Reevaa mud flaps. If you know, you know. Tesla paint is very thin, so I've heard. So we are going to try to eliminate some of the rock chips and scratches and things like that at the very bottom of the car by installing these mud flaps on the front and the rear. These are available on Amazon. We're gonna link it to our Amazon storefront in the description. So if you like what you see and you want to pick you up a set, click that link. I'm gonna start by showing y'all what comes in the box and what you're gonna need to do this install. All right, so I'm gonna open up the box first. I wish I had like a little table. So inside of the box, you're gonna have your mud flaps. There's 2 in each of these bags. They also give you a little baggie of push pins or clips, so you don't have to reuse the same ones that are already there. You got a fresh baggie. They're gonna give you a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver. This is actually really nice. Like, this is a nice quality screwdriver. I'm impressed. And a protector for the end. Safety first. And then lastly, you have some installation tips, a warranty card, and an instruction booklet. I do think it's worth noting when it comes to these types of installs, it's usually Ali that does the install and I usually just kind of sit back. So I'm going to be doing this install today, but if I get stuck, I got him on speed dial and he'll come and rescue me. So without further ado, let's install some mud flaps. I do want to point out that each of the mud flaps tell you where they go. So this one says left front, and then there's one for left rear and right front and right rear. I already have those set on the other side. So it's going to be installed like this. The instructions say to use the flathead screwdriver to remove the 2 screws from the installation area, but there's 3 holes here. 1, 2, 3. So I'm thinking it would be 3. I'm gonna assume that it's 3. So I'm gonna use the flathead screwdriver that they gave me. You got some little notches in here where the flathead screwdriver will fit perfectly. So I'm gonna just start with this one and just come right behind it and pull it out. Easy peasy. And I'm gonna pull the other 2 out also. Ew. When you're working on the front left, turn your tire all the way to the left so that you can access this part. Obviously on the other side, when we get to the other side, we'll turn the tire all the way to the, or turn the wheel all the way to the right. So, Lord. There we go. Okay. Put one more. That's it, y'all. 1 down, 3 to go. So here's the difference. This is the OEM part. This is the piece that came with the car. And this is the one that they sent. So as you can see, it is much bigger, which makes sense because now you got to go through the mud flap. Yeah, on the front, you have to remove 3 of these to install the mud guard. So it almost seems like we might run out of these, but ain't no turning back now. So let's go do another one. So we're at the back of the car now. Obviously, I can't turn the back wheel, but there is a clip right here. Scratch what I said earlier, y'all, because on the back, there's only 1. So we do actually have 2 extras. Pop this one out. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. It took some finagling, y'all. Not much, though. As you can see, I was able to get this pinched underneath the trim there. It's like a little cutout. I'll try to show y'all a little bit better on the other side. So, let me explain. There's a little groove here. this trim piece, this edge of your Tesla is gonna fit. You gotta kind of press it a little bit so that it'll just kind of sit right behind there like that. It'll clip right into place. I'm gonna be pushing this. I gotta fool around. You gotta fool around with it to get it to, oh, that was, that one was easy. That's it. It's on there. I just gotta pop this little thingy in here. Done. All right, y'all, we ready to install the last mud guard. All right, there we go. Now we cooking with grease. That's nasty. All right, pop these out. 1, 2, and 3. Done dilly. There's one. There we go. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all. There it is. Very simple. This joint dirty already. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right, y'all. That's it for today's video. Yes, I got the same shirt on. So if you just watched the other video on the radar detector mount, I got the same shirt because it's the same day. I promise I wash my clothes and change my clothes every day, you know, things like that. But if you haven't seen that video, head over there and take a look at it. That's it for today's install. Very simple, very quick, very protective for your Tesla. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button if you haven't already. And don't forget to also click that notification bell so you can be notified each time we post a new video. Thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you for your support. And we'll see y'all on the next video. Today, we are going to do our first install. Well, mine. What you looking at? Flaps. Again, this video is not sponsored, but if you want to slide us a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Stink out here. If you want to pick you up a set, click the link in this. I'm gonna start by showing y'all what comes in the box and what you're gonna need to do this install. Dang, it stink out here. There are notches. Oh, an ant. Yuck.